Hello. So the other day I went to the Christmas market in Berlin and I found this amazing, super delicious fried donuts whole that is called Quarkbällchen. And oh my god, it's the best donut hole I have ever had. But then I realized there is no English information about it, so I will make an explainer video for it. What is Quarkbogen, or what I called it German Quarkballs? Quarkbogen are small round donuts, German pastry made with quark, which is a type of fresh dairy product similar to soft cheese or thick yogurt. They are typically deep fried until golden brown, resulting in a crispy exterior and a light, fluffy, moist interior. The dough often include ingredients like flour, eggs, sugar, baking powder, and sometimes a hint of lemon zest or vanilla for flavor. After frying, they are usually rolled in granulated or powdered sugar or other kind of toppings while still warm. Quark bacon are popular in German Christmas market, often enjoying as a sweet snack or a dessert. Their texture is somewhat like a donut hole, but way better because the use of quark gives them a slightly tangy flavor profile and more fluffy and moist texture. They are best eaten fresh, but you can also reheat them if you want to. Super moist and fluffy, it's the best donut holes I have ever had. Okay, so it's nice if you happen to be in Christmas market in Germany, but if you are not, I found some recipe in the description that teach you how to make wok bacon. And of course, it's an affiliate link, which means I will make like a small profit, but it doesn't cost you anything, and I'm sure you like it. I'll see you later.